Catherine, please. Mahal na mahal kita, Catherine.
I'm sorry. Pero, I don't feel the same. I don't love you anymore, Noel. Matagal na.
So bakit pala tayo? Bakit tayo
Nagkataon lang na you were good in making me happy. You are very, very good. You are a very good temporary happiness. But that's all you are. Temporary.
Popoy at Bea, I went home with a broken heart and a broken spirit. For the first time in my life, I cried so hard.